Hey YouTube, this is CamWriter19, and I'm gonna say this too. Like, it's gonna be my user. I'm gonna use sometimes too, because gonna soon be a Twitch streamer as well. Though that's not what I'm talking about today. So today, I know people might know me now a little bit better as being a respectful uh person on Twitch, and that's awesome. And for me, because let me be honest too. So yeah, I'm a true believer in Jesus Christ, of course, and yeah, I'm a Christian. And so what I'm going to talk about today is for you guys out there, and either, no offense, respectful, disrespectful, or just in between where it's like, hey, I want to respect women, you know? Okay, so guys, let me tell you this. For me, what's awesome, even going through life and everything, um, I learned that if you guys want to get a date, this is how you do it, yo. Okay, first thing first. One, when you meet someone, you don't look them up and down. That is really like, can I just say it maybe once here on YouTube, or, if you can understand what I'm trying to say? That is just freaking crazy. Don't do that. Don't go like, you know what I mean now? That is just crazy. If you really want to, of course, quote unquote, get a girl, number one, meet her somewhere where, of course, let me just say this too. Before all this, that's why in the past and even in the future, we might have great friends. And they all like go hang out in a certain like place. It could be anywhere. It could be the mall. It could be Sam's Club. It could be at Walmart. It could be in your own workplace. So yeah. So what you want to do is don't go. And it's just, I can't really explain how crazy that is, especially with sunglasses. So, like, put on some sunglasses, then you're like, oh. And then people think, is your eyes okay? So, yeah, that is one thing you gotta know. So, yeah, just have great friend relations with the person you're about to marry, or say you're going on a date with that person when you meet them. Don't be disrespectful and look up and down. That's just crazy. It's like, is your eye stuck? Why are you staring me that way? And then woman will just be turned off. And then there's gonna be some who actually like that kind of tension, which is really weird. I know that type of like woman, and I'm not gonna stereotype what kind of area they're in, because it could be like, honestly, let me be honest. California has some respectful women, some non-respectful women. At the same time, you don't know what half the population is until you talk to them and say, hey, what do you think about this or something like that. So anyways, just for me, not coming from California, I'm from like Seattle, of course. And I was born in Seattle actually. I just got moved all over the place, when I was a baby and such. So yeah, just think about this though too. That's one thing you do not want to do. And guys, let me be honest. If you guys feel like you're all like quote unquote like ugly, and you're like saying like I'll never get a girlfriend or something, and sometimes you could be like super cool, you can actually get a girlfriend. Sometimes it could be actually quote unquote hideous. Though if you learn great respect, you'll get a girl that will love you, not just for money, but for who you are as a person. That, to me, that would be a awesome woman for me. And as a Christian, this is cool. So let me say this. I had a hard life, as myself too. I used to been like sucked into all this other stuff, and now I'm just getting out of it. So like in the future, I don't be all weird or whatever. I become disrespectful. For me, I like to respect women. That's me personally, and that's who I am, and that's why I'm giving you guys these tips, because I know who my wife is going to be. I know what my girlfriend already is, or who she is. She's really great, and I cannot wait until next year we go on a date, because let me be honest. So let's just say this: I'm gonna meet her one day, and she's gonna meet me one day. We're gonna have, course, a very awesome time, and I already know what I want to do when I meet her too. It's cool. So let's just say that I haven't exactly met her yet, though. When we And though the time we do meet in person, it's gonna be awesome. And I would tell you guys her name, but I'm gonna say this though too. I'm not sure. I mean, I'm already sure that some of you, of course, know her name, Angela, and stuff like that. And so I just gotta say is that her name, like that I know, and I know what she looks like already. Her name is Angel, and next year I'm gonna be going on a date with her, and it's gonna be pretty cool because I'm respectful and I'm pretty honest. Because that's another thing, guys. Do not be quote unquote jerks and lie and everything too. Like that's not a good thing either to have. Because say this, let me be honest. Say if you are quote unquote a player where the girl thinks, oh, this guy's nice and everything, he hasn't done anything wrong to me, and then later on they figure out you have a girlfriend on the side. That's not good, man. That is totally not good. So for me, to help you guys get ready, and maybe some already made that mistake, and then they see this video, and like, man, I should have not done that. It's okay, let me tell you this. I believe too that even some who mess up and get their lives right and they are respectful later on, they will find the perfect woman for them. It's not always love at first sight, you know? So yeah, this is awesome too. I'm giving you guys some awesome dating tips. Hope you are taking this down because it's like super amazing if you actually follow these along because that's what women want in a guy. They don't want someone who stares at boobs all day. They don't want that kind of guy. They want one that's like, hey, can you pay attention to my face? I'm like, yeah, sure, I can respect that. And yeah, so for me, I'm gonna say this too. Let me be honest, when you find the one that you like to, remember, it's not always about the boobs. It's about the heart, not the boobs. It's the heart. Because what if, like, okay, so I'm gonna say this. What if, say there's someone right now that's like, I'm not gonna point out any names or anything. I'm saying like, say someone doesn't have like, quote unquote, okay, this is weird, just huge boobs or anything like that, and they just like insecure themselves because they see another woman with huge boobs. Well, let me tell you, those women, they would do anything for attention, and for me, I'm gonna say this right now too. If anyone feels like that and they're insecure because of that, you know what? I'm gonna say though too, you guys are really like safe too. Like, let me be honest too. For me as a guy, it's like cool too that even really, it's not about that stuff. And when I think about this too, is that really it's the heart, and it's not about the. I'm just gonna keep on saying. I'm not gonna say it like that anymore. Actually, I'm gonna say like the chest size. If there's someone with just like a smaller chest size and diaphragm, they are still great people, and you want to get to know them. So yeah, that's what I say. So for me being respectful right now, and hope you guys don't take it in a rude way or anything. I'm not trying to offend any of the stereotypes, but of who I know, like even some of those people who act like that. Just know this too. Those with a quote-unquote smaller chest size, be confident in who you are because, let me tell you, there'll be a dude one day, who knows, you never know. He's gonna have this great heart, and he's gonna love you for who you are, you know? And I'll be sad thinking, oh, I need to go make my chest size bigger because that's what the guy likes. Don't do that. You guys are amazing. God created the way you're supposed to be, and you don't want to waste money or, you know, get bigger chest size. It just, you are a different person, and you're different, unique, and you love God. And let me tell you this. For me, I realized in a scripture, as a Christian too, it's gotta be in 1 Corinthians, it's either 1 Corinthians or 2 Corinthians. There is a scripture where it says, us men, we are the protector of beauty. And that to me is like amazing because, you know, we're supposed to be a protector of beauty. We're not supposed to be like, quote unquote, pigs or dogs or whatever. We're supposed to be like, we respect you because you're a person and we love that about you. Not, oh, because your chest size bigger, we love you and so that. And that's not what it's supposed to be. at all. Like, that's not what it's supposed to be. It's really the heart, you know. If the heart's there, the heart's there. And for me too, let me be honest. Of course, I know I do these weird poses. I am not gay. Let me be honest. I am not gay, and I'm not saying I'm making fun of people who are gay. I'm just saying I just like doing poses too sometimes when I like put my, because like let me explain this. My elbow is like on my desk right now. So if you know how big my desk is, so you can understand that. And for me, it's cool because I got like, for me too, the little bit of the feelings of like a woman would say like sad movies or something, like just so that would make me cry. I know I'm still a guy. I'm 100% a guy. And for me, I would not consider myself as a different identity because I don't comfortable who I am or something like that. Like I'm comfortable who I am. And I am a guy because God said I'm a guy. That means I'm a guy. So, hey, I'm a guy. I'm here. I'm giving you guys some awesome tips to get you ready for a date, yo. That's what I'm saying. That's what's up. Like and subscribe too if you like this video. I hope it helps you guys. And even to you too, woman. Like it can reach the other way around and give this balance in our awesome world of yin and yang and love and respect, you know? So guys, I hope you like this video. And yeah, this is Camwriter just like sharing his heart. How to get you guys some girlfriends or boyfriends, however. And you know, either in our way. Sorry, not for me. I don't support the whole boy girl thing. So that's not me. I'm sorry sorry, that's not me. So let me just say this. So I'm gonna say this too, is that I love you guys with the love of the Lord. Gays are not gross. They are awesome people as well. Just take some time to know them. Just don't, if you don't support gays, just don't hang out or do their items and so that. So yeah. And same for this too. I'm gonna say this. If I ever came across a gay myself, because some of my friends are actually gay, I would not say that they're quote unquote bad or wicked or whatever, because I already know being gay is a sin. Though what I will say is that they are great people. The Lord loves them. They accomplish a lot, and that's who they are right now. And then later they're gonna feel the love of the Lord on them, where they don't feel like that anymore as they used to. And that's just me giving a little bit of what I believe too as well. So guys, again, sorry, I was a little bit off topic. Though if you get this, guys, let me just say this. Getting closer. You're ready for a date, dude. You're ready. So yeah, guys, and same thing to a woman. You will be ready, guys. You will be ready. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And again, if you like this tip, that's awesome. If you don't, be honest too. Let me just be honest. Don't like it because I'm like some like new guy on YouTube. Just be honest. If you don't like this video, also give it a dislike if you don't like it. If you like it and it actually helps you and you get a girlfriend, then like the video, please. And just help me out here too. Okay. Have a great day, blessed day, whatever you people believe, and just keep going in life. There's a better life for you guys. I know it. I know it. I know it. See ya.